Top 6 job descriptions for software test engineers. 1 Roles and responsibilities. Create testing scenarios that demonstrate conformance to all functional and non-functional requirements as outlined in business or technical specifications. Ensure comprehensive test coverage by developing and implementing detailed test plans. Write and maintain test scripts for the automation tools utilized by the project team. Work closely with team members to analyze requirements, ensuring that all scenarios are adequately covered by the tests. Review and analyze test results to identify discrepancies, and communicate findings to the team for resolution. Generate detailed reports from automated test executions, providing insights into test outcomes. Identify and validate appropriate performance testing models. Identify gaps and opportunities for improvement in testing methods and standards, and recommend necessary changes. Requirements: bachelor's degree in computing, information technology, or a related field. Strong analytical and troubleshooting skills. At least 1 year of experience in software development and/or automation testing. Familiarity with behavior-driven development, BDD, testing. Experience with test automation frameworks like Cucumber and Karate. Proficiency with web service testing tools such as Postman and SoapUI. Experience with performance testing tools like Micro Focus LoadRunner and JMeter. Ability to conduct user acceptance testing with end users. Experience working in agile development environments. Familiarity with test management tools such as Jira Zephyr and Micro Focus ALM. A solid understanding of software development processes. Proficiency in various testing and development methodologies. Strong verbal and written communication skills. Ability to work effectively both in a team and independently. Comfortable with client-facing responsibilities. 2 key responsibilities: develop and maintain automated test scripts using tools such as Selenium, TestNG, JUnit, etc. Integrate automated tests into CI/CD pipelines, e.g., Jenkins, GitLab CI. Collaborate with development and QA teams to identify test cases suitable for automation. Execute automated tests and analyze results to identify software defects. Design and implement test strategies and plans for new and existing features. Perform code reviews and provide feedback on testability and code quality. Continuously improve the test automation framework and enhance the automation process. Document and report test results, defects, and issues to the appropriate stakeholders. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in test automation. Key qualifications: bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or a related field. Proven experience as an automated testing engineer or similar role. Strong programming skills in languages such as Java, Python, C# or JavaScript. Experience with automated testing tools like Selenium, Appium, Qtp, or similar. Familiarity with version control systems such as Git. Knowledge of CI/CD tools and practices. Experience with performance testing tools such as JMeter or LoadRunner. 3 responsibilities: min 5 years experience in 1 or more of the followings: application exploratory testing and regression test automation, application performance testing, application security testing. Strong analytical skills. Meticulous attention to details. Good interpersonal skills such as tactfulness. Good presentation and listening skills. Experience in agile development environment will be an added advantage. Experience with open source automated testing framework like Playwright, Cypress, Robot Framework, Cucumber, Appium, Selenium, or enterprise-level testing tools, Tricentis Qtest/Tosca, Micro Focus UFT, or Micro Focus ALM/Quality Center, will be an added advantage. Experience with open source performance testing tools like K6, JMeter, Locust, or enterprise-level testing tools, Micro Focus LoadRunner, will be an added advantage. Experience with open source security testing tools like Zap, Burp Suite, SQL Map, Claire, etc., or enterprise-level security tools, Mirco Focus Fortify on Demand, Prisma Cloud, Veracode, Nessus, or Checkmarx, will be an added advantage. Experience to set up the pipeline with CI/CD tools such as GitLab, Bamboo, and etc. Certified software testing professional and/or certified software quality analyst and/or CREST/OSCP certification will be an added advantage. For your role and responsibilities, you will be responsible for the mentoring and development of project delivery teams' abilities on acceptance criteria-driven testing, test-driven development, behavior-driven development/testing. You will also be the key member of a delivery team from inception phase and will be pivotal in defining acceptance criteria for user stories and project backlog, project delivery in Agile, Scrum framework. You will also define the scope of unit, integration, and ETE tests and come up with test pyramid structure for the project delivery and suggest improvements in planning, if needed. You will play a huge role in designing unit test and integration test framework with tests and train delivery team members on the same. Also, be responsible to deliver end-to-end tests using flexible framework and design techniques. Not restricted to creating test automation scripts using Selenium and any other relevant tools. Maintaining test results and sharing same with stakeholders. But also, play a crucial role in execution and managing test deliverables. Frequent communication with users, vendors, etc. who you are. You have at least 10+ years relevant experience in functional testing, test automation, test framework design, planning and development. Plan and execute performance tests, including load, stress, and scalability testing using tools like JMeter, Gatling, and Locust, etc. Design and maintain test automation frameworks that are scalable, modular, and maintainable. Sound understanding of the software development lifecycle in Agile and Scrum methodologies. Experience in web technologies, e.g. Java and JavaScript, Node.js, ability to work independently and take decisions. Experience in working directly with technical leads, project managers, and business analysts in business and IT organization. Collaborate with development and testing teams to integrate test automation into the continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipeline. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Excellent analytical and problem-solving skills. Good to have knowledge of exploratory testing, session, charter definition, etc. An expert in unit test, integration test techniques and implementation. Experience proficiency in test automation tools and frameworks, e.g., Selenium, Appium, JUnit, TestNG, Cucumber. Strong programming and scripting skills, e.g., Java, Python, Ruby. Working with open source testing frameworks and design technique. We will be prioritizing applicants who have a current right to work in Singapore and do not require sponsorship of a visa. 5. What you will be doing: analysis and review of software requirements, features descriptions, participation in creation of DODs, DOORs, ACS, etc. Development, maintenance and review of checklists and test cases. Perform manual functional testing of features under development. Validation of identified defects, manual testing of fixes. Automation of test cases and test scenarios. Code review and maintenance of automated tests. Actively participate in TMS, CI/CD tools utilization in the project and the overall building of software testing processes. Implementing and maintaining QA/QC metrics and reporting to stakeholders. Actively participate in Scrum meetings and refinement sessions. Collaborate with multinational teams with PO, internal and client-side stakeholders. Your skills and experience. Navigate independently in a dynamic environment. Functional automation, integrational automation and manual testing. Knowledge of software development testing life cycles. PyTest, Playwright, Requests, Azure DevOps, Confluence, Jira, GitHub Actions, SQL. Zephyr TMS. Bachelor's degree in IT-related field or equivalent work experience. Proficiency in English, minimum B2 level, would be beneficial. Core understanding of performance testing, Python plus Locust, understanding of SSO, SAML/OAuth. Readiness to be a mentor of MQA/AQA.